day, Sir Madam. My name is Sally Doctolero, 38 years old. I am Catholic. I am married. I have 2 children. My husband working as a driver. I have 2 brothers and 5 sisters. I am the second in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Sally. How are you today?
Sir Madam, I am good.
Okay, so what are the advantages of the employers if ever they will hire you?
Sir Madam, I am responsible. I am hardworking and I am willing to learn.
Okay, can you tell us the proper way of taking care of children?
Sir Madam, I will feed them on time. I will take them a bath. I will play them and I will love them as my own children.
What if he committed mistakes? What will you do?
Sir Madam, I will say sorry and I will promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to the employer?
Sir Madam, please hire me. I really need this job for my kids. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Sally, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir Madam.